In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail on Outlook. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, you should see your main Gmail dashboard. Next, open Outlook on your computer or in your browser, depending on what you prefer to use. For this tutorial, we'll open the Outlook desktop app, so the account settings will automatically save to your computer. Launch the Outlook application on your PC. When Outlook opens for the first time, you should see a screen that says Welcome to the new Outlook. Under suggested accounts, you may see your Gmail account automatically detected. If you see it, select it. If not, manually enter your Gmail address in the email field. After entering your Gmail address, click Continue to Proceed. Outlook will begin loading and preparing the connection to your Gmail account. You will then be redirected to your default web browser, where Google will ask you to sign in. Log in using your Gmail account credentials. When you see the Sign In to Microsoft Apps and Services page, click Continue, then click Allow to grant Outlook permission to access your Gmail account. Follow any additional verification steps if prompted. After the process completes, Outlook will finish syncing your Gmail account. Once the setup is done, you should now see your Gmail account added inside Outlook. Along with your existing emails and folders, you can now send, receive, and manage your Gmail messages directly from Outlook. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.